All right, so listen. First of all, we watching Orangutans box. Don't ask me how I found this, and no, I don't condone like animal cruelty and violence. However, this exists, so I'm gonna watch it. So some orangutans boxing, tour.shop. The Lord loves you. Twitch, YouTube, TikTok, Discord, all of that. I got a hero, half Sausalito, half Honey Turkey. Shout out to Ock. Hold it down each time. So I don't know the context. I just was looking up boxing, and this is what came up. So this is what we're gonna watch. Hopefully it's not too loud. My headphones not loud. Now do they normally do this? Because the other orangutan looks like he's not interested. Oh no, he said it's my turn. Oh no, he really get busy. The orangutans are mad smart. Oh, it's a safari bird. That's why. What? Listen, are they gonna box or not? I don't know what they're talking about. They're all about to get cooked. Yeah, please. See, even he's like, you know they gonna win. Don't pretend. That's actually pretty good. Yo, nah, he went Lucha Libre on them. Nah, he went up the top rope. Nah, he went up the top rope with it though. That was kind of fun. These orangutans must be bad fake. What, is street fighting? That's hilarious. Right. So wait, who won that last one? Right? Somebody get these guys like an acting career. That's hilarious. I feel like that's not scripted, and that actually happens to me. He gets actually upset. The amount of orangutans that he's jumping away from, is he pulling it or what? Nobody get a ring out. I know that. Nah, please tell me that. Please let that. That was his last boat. Oh, nah, that's a random night. What? think they get paid to do these things. You better throw it back at him? I'm going to charge it Now they got to be stupid and slide. I told you. Why he did that? You better spit at him. And now he about to fall on that. I think if I was standing here like in real time, I would be so confused. I would just be like, how did I even like that? And now that orangutan is just cleaning the... Yeah, orangutans are fast, What is that ring? 8 feet? I'm actually very glad that they're not actually boxing. That was adorable. Because when I turned around, I hope they don't actually fight each other like actual orangutans, because that's going to be kind of sad. But this is not sad. This is actually pretty good. No, that's crazy. In 10 years, I'm gonna decide to be a doctor. This is mad, man. What? This is so crazy. You know what's even crazier? I was just watching Shark Tank. Sasta Shark Tank. I can't understand shit they were saying. This video got mad views on. This must be so entertaining in Cambodia 15 years ago. Welcome to the orangutan boxing show. This is a whole setup. They're getting paid. Hope that orangutans is living good, man. That was orangutan boxing. I don't know what we just watched. It was actually pretty interesting because it was all scripted. So, excuse me, I don't like to talk too much with my mouth with food. Anyway, that was orangutan boxing. I mean, let me know how you felt about that, and if you will watch that again, or if you will go to Cambodia and watch that. I mean, that was pretty interesting to me. I mean, I'm glad that they didn't really box because I thought they were really gonna box, and I'm so glad they didn't. But yeah, you already know what it is. It's household.shop. Lord loves you, Twitch, YouTube, TikTok, all of that. Shop. Bra bra bra.